Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I am so sorry guys. I have been MIA on YouTube for almost a month. Please don't come for me. I am so sorry, but I am back now, back and better, and hopefully I get to bring you guys more and more content as the days go by. Okay, today's video is a highly requested one. I'm doing the tag my followers pick my makeup challenge. I did some polls on my Insta stories some time ago, and I put two different choices for every step of my makeup, and you guys voted for which makeup products that I should use. The results are very interesting, I have to say. But yeah guys, I'm super excited for today's video, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what I create with your own recommendations, guys. So without further ado, and without wasting too much of your precious time, let's get right into the video. So first off, I asked you guys if you wanted to see a neutral look or a colorful look. 68% of you said a neutral look, and 32% said colorful look. You guys like neutral looks too much. You guys like the easy way out all the time. First off, I'm going to start off with the face. First of all, I've already done my brows off camera just so that this video is not 1 million years long. And then the first thing we're going to be doing today is face primer. And I asked you guys to choose between the Milani Prime Shield Primer and the NYX Angel Veil Primer, and 56% of you said Milani Prime Shield, 44% of you said NYX Angel Veil. So Milani Prime Shield it is. So next for foundation, I asked you guys to pick between the Fenty Beauty foundation and the Revlon Colorstay. 62% of you went for Fenty Beauty and only 38% went for Revlon Colorstay. So Fenty Beauty, we shall be wearing. So next up for concealer, I asked you guys to pick between the LA Girl concealer and no, not the LA Girl concealer. I asked you guys to pick between the ColourPop No Filter concealer and the Zaron Cosmetics liquid concealers, and you guys, the result was 50-50. 50-50. Like, am I supposed to use the two concealers? I'm not understanding. But I have gone into looking at all of the voters, and 64 people voted for ColourPop No Filter and 63 people voted for Zaron Cosmetics. So I'm going to be going with, of course, ColourPop No Filter concealer. Guys, this concealer just blended like a dream. This is the reason why I love this concealer so much. Like, I love this concealer. So for setting powder, I asked you guys to choose between the Sacha ButterCup setting powder and the LA Colors loose powder, and 59% of you went with Sacha ButterCup, 41% of you went with LA Colors. So Sacha. So we're going straight into the eyes, and for eye primer, I asked you guys to choose between the LA Girl eye primer and the normal concealer, just like a normal concealer, and 62% of you went with LA Girl eye primer, 38% went with normal concealer. I've already primed my lids with concealer and powder anyway, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the LA Girl eye primer just like requested. So for eyeshadow palette, I asked you guys to choose between the Taos Dolly Lana palette and the Elma Forest Flame eyeshadow palette, and a whooping 60% of you went with Taos Dolly Lana, and 40% went with Elma Forest Flame. But then again, I ask you guys, how do you want me to create a neutral look with such a colorful palette like the Taos, Dolly, Lana? Like, how do you want me to even start? Look at these colors. What neutral look do you want me to create with this palette? I'm going to go in with the shade Anissa. This is like a brown shade right here. The pigmentation of this palette has my heart. Like, this is absolutely one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes right now. I love it so much. I zoomed you guys in a little bit for detail purposes. Next, you guys, I would have loved to do a cut crease, but man, cut crease on a neutral look, you guys are not going to like that. You guys will be like, Alma, give us something simple, something that we can easily recreate now. So I'm going to go in with Tajer, which is like a burgundy shade, a very dark burgundy shade. Guys, can you see this pigment? Can you see this pigment? I'm sorry, this look is no longer looking neutral. It's beginning to delve into colorful. It's beginning to move into colorful. I'm going to be using this pale pink color here called Eom. What does Eom mean? If you're Calabar, please let me know what Eom means in the comment section. Okay guys, so this is as neutral as I can get with this palette. For eyeliner, I asked you guys to choose between the LA Girl Gel Liner and the Zaron HD Liquid Liner. And 41% of you went with LA Girl and 59% of you went with Zaron. You guys like Nigerian brands, Abby? You people like Nigerian brands. Even myself, I love Nigerian brands. So let's go with Zaron. So I forgot to ask you guys what mascara and what waterline liner I should use. So for my waterline, I'm going to be using the Milani True Black Eye Pencil, and for mascara, I'm going to be using the Zaron Lengthening Mascara. So for lashes, I asked you guys to choose between Zira lashes and Ryanne John lashes. 43% of you went for Zira lashes and 57% of you went for Ryanne John. And I have this new pair of Ryanne John lashes right here that I'm going to be using, and this one is in the style 3D Adugo 2. Adugo. I like that name. I'm also going to be using this Ryanne John lash adhesive as well. So guys, I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry, and while I'm waiting, we're going to go back to the face, okay? And then for contour, I asked you guys to choose between the Zaron Face Definer and the Flawless Ivy Face Definer. 58% of you went with Zaron and 42% went with Flawless Ivy. So it looks like we're going to be using Zaron today. I have no idea why my eye is red right now, right there. Like, I love this pair of lashes. Ryanne John, Ryanne, what did you do with this? Like, I love this so much. And the lash glue is so good. Like, I didn't have to wait too long for it to get tacky. And I just applied it and it just sat on my eyelids like that. Like, on my lash line. Gosh. What do you guys think? I love this. So for blush, I asked you guys to choose between Sleek's blush in Sahara and Zaron Blush Duo. And you guys, 57% of you went with Zaron and 43% of you went with Sleek. So I'm going to be using the Zaron eyeshadow and blush duo. And there are two amazing blushes here. This one is in the shade Autumn Splendor, by the way. I'm going to be using these two blushes here. Guys, I wear a lot of blush, so don't get scared if you see rosy cheeks like this on me. I like to wear a lot of blush. So for highlights, I asked you guys to choose between the Taos Glow Kit and the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette. 63% of you went with Taos and 37% of you went with NYX. So we're going to be using the Taos Glow Kit. I'm going to be using this shade called 1992. For all of our face powder, I asked you guys to choose between the Flawless Ivy powder and the LA Colors powder. 70% of you, a whole 70% went with Flawless Ivy. So we're going to be using that right now. And this is what it looks like. For lip liner, you guys, I asked you to choose between Zaron's Maxim Lip Liner and Tara's House of Tara Ashanti. 61% of you went with Zaron and 39% of you went with House of Tara. So Zaron's Maxim lipstick pen right here. For lipstick, the options were Taos's Lulua lipstick, liquid velvetine, and then just a random clear lip gloss. And 52% of you went with Taos Lulua and 48% of you went with lip gloss. So we're going to be using Taos's Lulua lipstick today. Asked you guys to choose between the LA Girl Pearl Setting Spray and the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. 35% of you went with LA Girl and 65% of you went with Milani Make It Last. So I'm going to be using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. My favorite part of this entire makeup is actually the lashes. Like the lashes, guys, I'm loving these lashes so much. I feel like they are so pretty. Okay guys, that is it for this video. This is the result of what you guys requested for, what you guys selected, what you guys wanted. Thank you to everyone who voted on Instagram. You guys are the bomb. So yeah guys, let me know in the comment section if you loved this video and if you enjoy seeing videos like this, and if you want me to do more challenges, more tags, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be glad to bring that to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I keep saying it, guys, please. You come here, you watch my videos, you don't subscribe, it's not good. Help this ministry, help this channel, help us grow, okay? So definitely hit that red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell button down below so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.